Welcome to my shop. My name is Steve. This is the third and last video in the Building a Doll Case and Stand series. So let's finish up the stand, finish up the display case, and I'll show you the contents. So let's get to it. Okay. And right now I'm just going to press the keys in to get my hand. I guess they tend to drive themselves home when you have one on the surface, so let's recess them. Now, all I'm shooting for is to get this flush right now. Okay, so I'll just show you the corners. If I get too close here. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Scrap of wood from my upper stretcher. Off the excess. And I'm standing just proud. Get the remaining side. And that's how I clean up the edges. Now this side I just hand plane will be up against the acrylic. Doing is just marking this long, and since I don't have a stop system on that is long enough to take this piece, I'm going to go to the Joint Maker Pro and I'm going to cut that 45. I guess this is the end that I just cut, and when I spring that into place, it's long. And a friend of mine was moving, so I was gifted this miter trimmer. And I'm just going to put the cut piece against the blade. I'm going to push it forward slightly and trim that miter end. Then I'll check the fit again. Still long, so back and take a bit more off. Not sure how well this will show up. But this is the piece here. It's just taking a sliver off makes that, it's almost has no spring in it. So I do this to the remaining pieces. And I'm just going to size them all to get spring. I'd rather them be long than short. And I'm going to finish that, and then we'll come back to the finishing stage. Just going to take a chisel here and go right to that miter. Well, I've decided to put some of this double-sided tape. Got this at a craft store. I'm just going to apply this to the back side. I don't know whether it's really required or not, but I'm going to be using headless pens, and I normally apply glue when I'm doing that, but I want this to be serviceable, but I do want it to hold it in place as well, so I'm just going to apply this tape to it. Okay, so the base is done. So now I'm going to put the top on. And that's just fits on, is held in place by two 3/8 inch dowels. And the doll that will be displayed in this case is a family heirloom. My wife's written up the history. This was purchased by her dad in 1940 at his first paying job, and that was the year he graduated high school. And his mother had never had a baby doll before, so he bought this Madame Alexander doll in his first paying job. And my case is together. See if I can put this top on. And I think that turned out pretty well. And so I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.